Okay, USD yen. Let's see what we're doing. So it came down to this little zone, kind of broke it. Now is rejecting back up. So I don't really like this zone. I just drew it before to give us an idea. Certainly not significant. We got higher highs, higher lows, this price action here. We got this little wick area now that it's creating on a daily, still not super significant. There's not enough momentum in this yet, so you can see like Friday's close, bear candle into this zone. Today's candle is pulling back up, but I need something higher. I need price to close, you know, above like 143. Today would be ideal. Might not do that obviously though, but yeah, I do think this is a good buy, but I want to wait. I don't the daily structure is here, but it's just not, hasn't fully resumed yet. So you can kind of see it starting to possibly. You can see, so like price came down, then popped right back up out of this zone, which the zone's pretty slim, but it is actually significant. You can see that price rejected it many times, came up, pulled back, and then finally broke this and now is holding it. And then as soon as price hit the bottom of this zone, which is really close to 145 or 141.50, which is a whole level, so that's nice to see. But as soon as price hit the bottom of the zone, this 4-hour bull candle came in, completely engulfed it out of this zone, broke it above, you know, 142 level, is holding above 142. So this could be the sign of a soon-to-be entry. So if it's something like this, if we see this take place, then obviously like break this zone would be nice. If we can see that happen, then I think you're good to enter. But we're gonna have to wait a bit for that. I just don't I don't want to rush it. I don't, if this goes flat for the rest of the month or something, or decides to consolidate more, decides to go down, because you had Friday's candle was so bearish. I mean, there's a chance that today completely pulls back and then price closes below this zone, and then maybe it's headed to more of a significant zone like this 140 level, this big chunk here kind of thing, like sub 140, I guess 139.5 and below. I mean, it might need to come all the way down here for that, but yeah, so like that's really what it depends on. I don't want to take anything too soon, but I do see something like this lining up, but we're gonna have to wait. It's just not but I mean, price right now, it's above this 4-hour moving average, so it might come down to 142, this white line here, this even level, and then reject from there, and then push up, and then yeah, as long as it starts making higher highs, then I'd be happy to enter. I do think long term this is a good buy. Obviously, I think the USD currency versus the yen is fantastic in the sense of interest rates, right? So if you just bought this and held it, I mean, you're making good money just holding the swap fees. So there's that option too. But yeah, personally I would just wait to get in on buy entry. Maybe just wait today, see how it closes. If you see a lot of bullish momentum coming into this play for the rest of today and tomorrow, then you're probably good to enter. And I would still target this 149 level. That's the full monthly range. It's about 700 pips, and I mean, if it only makes it halfway, hey, that's fine. If I only make 300 pips on this trade, it is what it is. But I'm shooting for 600 or 700 because I want it all. And when this moves, it really moves. So we just have to wait for that bull momentum to enter the market, and then yeah, we'll capitalize on it. We'll get in a buy position and we'll just ride it out. So that's USD yen. We just gotta wait a little bit.